Hello guys, I'm back with another awesome video for you people. It's been a while now that I have been posting, and today I'm back with something that will help you so well. And today's video is about how to scan a document with your notepad app. You guys should stop using scanner apps because I find this more perfect compared to using that of the scanner app. Why? Because it's very simple, it makes the work easy, and it has some features that the scanner app does not have. So in this video, I'm gonna be demonstrating how to go about it. So don't panic, just stay with me to the end and never skip. If you skip this video, you are not going to be getting the right way to go about it. So just stick with me till the end of this video, and you're gonna thank me later. And I guess what you guys think, you have to drop it in the comment section for me to know, to boost my energy so that I can keep posting more videos like this for you guys. Okay, here we go. So when you want to scan a document with your notebook pad or the app, you open. Okay, so let's assume this is my phone right here. What I'm supposed to be doing, you find the notebook app on the phone, and here is my notebook app, the notes. That is what I mean, the notes showing right here. You have to click on it. When you open the notebook app like this, the next step is you create a new note by using the square button right here with the pencil on it down your right hand side of the screen of your iPhone. You have to click there once. So let's do that real quick. As you guys can see, this is my screen. Let me raise my brightness so that you guys can see very well. So from there, after doing that, what we have to do next, we have to access the scanner. What do I mean by accessing the scanner? It means you have to tap on the camera icon. So you guys can see from the screen, we are looking for the camera icon. And where is the camera icon? Here is it, located on the right hand side of the screen. Beside it, we have a pencil in a circle form. I don't click on that one, click on the camera over here. So let's do that real quick. As you guys can see, from there you have to select the documents you want to be scanning. Any document at all that you want to scan, you have to do that. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna be using this microphone box to demonstrate this for this tutorial. So after you've gotten what you want to scan, you just have to click on the scan document right here in the notebook app. So let's do that real quick. Let's click on it. For this side for you getting the dimensions well, you have to make sure you position your documents very well. Can you guys see what just happened? After placing your document on a flat surface with a good lighting, you hold your phone over it. The app will automatically capture the image for you. As you guys can see, it didn't position well. That's why the yellow surface, which is supposed to capture it very well, is not getting the right distance. That's why it's not getting it captured at once. But when you are doing it, you have to make sure you place the phone to get all the dimensions of the document you want to scan. I hope that you guys are with me. After that, if the scanner doesn't scan automatically, you can use this one. You can use the shutter button in the middle right here. This is the shutter button. This is what I mean. When you click over there, it will capture manually. Or if you don't want to use the middle, you can use the lower volume down or the upper volume up to do that real quick. And then now after that, we have to adjust the colors of the documents our phone have just captured. So let's click on the save the image right here. Sorry guys, let me take it back. Let's click on this saved. I hope you guys can see. Let me take the documents from here. This app wanna scan again. Let's click over here to locate what the app just captured. So you guys can see, because I was demonstrating this, I used it to capture it thrice. So let's assume we want to get the right dimensions for this. You just have to click on this yellow button, like the crop section. You click on it this way. After clicking on it, you notice that the document you scanned just appeared over there. And then for me, I can prefer to drag it backwards, drag it this way. You guys can see it's not in the right position. So when you find yours this way, what you have to do is to resize it to the normal position that you want it to be. So let me drag my own real quick and then let's move on. Okay, so after you've gotten all the dimension for your image or your document, you just click on done. You guys can see the button right close to it over here is the where you can change the color. You can make it white and black. You can change the color to any color you want. If you want the color to be dim, you want it to be white and black, this is the white and black, and then this is another color. It makes it more deeper, I guess so. And then over here too, it makes the white and black lighter, as you guys can see from the screen. And then the one next to it, which has the little arrow on top of it, when you click over there like this, you can resize it, or you can change the position. You can change it if either you want the document to turn upside down, turn upwards, downwards, left side, and then right side. You can do that with it. So after you've done with all this, you just have to click on the top right, the top left corner, click on the done. When you click on the done, then it saves over there. No, sorry guys, it didn't save. We just added it to the profile right there. And then when you are okay with what you just did, you can click on the save button close to the shutter button at the right hand side of the screen. You can click on it once and then it's going to be saving the document you just captured, as you guys can see from my screen. And then after that, let's save mine real quick and let me show you what's next. As you guys can see, I have saved my images because I took 3. I've saved all the trees on my phone right here. With this, we have some little buttons at the top right here which can be added to the document. If you want to do some writing attached to it, you can just click on this. Let's say you want to add some lines, you can just click on this. You guys can see from the screen that's the line over there, but because I'm not using it, let me just take it out, delete the table. Or if you want to write something here and then you want to enlarge it, you make it bold, underline, italic and underline, and then many more. You can change the heading, the subheading, the body of what you've written down close to it, or the monospace. But when you are not using this, make sure that you don't click on it. Over here, the last part, if you want to add a signature to whatever you are doing, you just have to open the markup. Sorry guys, a minute. If you guys want to open a markup on the phone, this is what we call the markup. The pencil in the cycle is what is called a markup. We have to click over the ones like this. As you guys can see, when I click on it, you can see from the screen I have a lot of pencils down here, but we are not going to be touching any of those because that's not what we're looking for. We have to click on the plus sign close to the circle with the black color right here. Click on over there. As we have clicked on it, or as I have clicked on it, you guys can see we have add text. You can add text if you want to do that. You can add a signature, or you can even add a shape. But here I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a signature. So you click on the signature real quick. Let's remove this. I have a signature over there for a very long time, so let me just delete that one. And then let's click over there again. So when you click over there, you're gonna be seeing something like this. You can write any signature of your choice. Anything you want to do, you just have to click it over there. So after that, you are just gonna be dragging it a little bit to any place you want to drop it. Let's assume I want to drop mine down here, and then I'm just gonna click done. When you do the click on the done, from here you can just share the file you've downloaded to either your contacts, anybody you want to do that to, or you can just drop message, mail it, WhatsApp, Google it, and then Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Gmail, Pinterest, Google Drive, and then X, and many more. Or even you can save that to files as so that it can be saved over there. Thank you guys, thanks for watching, and then make sure you subscribe, you share the video to more people to get to know about this new trace of scanning the documents. Thank you.